Welcome to solverfy.
In this problem, we are given this diagram which shows an electrical network, and these symbols here, like this, it represents switch. And we have four switches in this electrical network, as we can see, and they operate independent with each other. And we see that the probability which is given for each of the switch being closed, that is P. And we are first required to find the probability that the current flows from A to B. So we see that the current can flow from A to B through this upper part, or it can flow through this lower part. So it means that the probability of the switch being closed is P, and that's the only case when the current can flow. So we see that the probability that the current can flow through the upper part is P times P. So it's P square, and the probability of the current flowing through the lower part, even that would be P square. And the current can flow from A to B either from the upper part or lower part. So it means that the total probability would be 2P square, and that's the answer for the first part. And in the next part, we are required to get the least value for P, provided that the probability of current flow, this is at least zero point 0.5. That means 2P square, this is greater than or equal to zero point 0.5. So let's just solve this, and this implies that P square is greater than equal to zero point 0.5 by 2, which is 0.25, and this means that P would be greater than or equal to zero point 0.5, because we know that the probability it is always positive. And as we have to get the least value of P, we can definitely conclude that the least value of P is equal to zero point 0.5, and that's the required answer.